Hello, hello, guys. This is Social Trades once more, right? This is Social Trades once more. Let's take that out. So basically, what we have here is okay, let me just do this. We have this continuous suspension block here, right? So already we have this. We know we don't need to come back into this here, this way. We don't need to come here. And already used this one with this candlestick here, this one, right? And this is an immediate rebalance, right? So, so this candlestick here, this one, is going down like this. It's rebalancing, right? So in an immediate rebalance, what must happen? The next candle must explode, right? It must explode. This candle must explode, but this one didn't. So what happens next? Then the very next one should explode. This candlestick here that we're looking at should be a big candlestick, an explosion candlestick like this. It should explode like this. This is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing something like this here, right? Why? Immediate rebalance. This one should explode. It does not. If this one does not explode, then this would mean a complex reversal, right? But I don't see a complex reversal happening here. I don't see the reversal happening here because of we are in a situation where May, June, July, that's a bullish quarterly shift, right? We are in a bullish quarterly shift. We know when August is going to come in. August, September, and October, that's a bearish quarterly shift, right? We know that there'll be high probability chances to sell like really hard then. But for now, we are very, very bullish here. Like we just took out sell side here and we just did this. And this is some sort of a waiting period of some sorts. But this should be seen this week. This week, not next week. This very week. We should see this. Let me go on the daily. The daily, Riley. And then, right. Okay, let's go. So this is a weekly suspension block. We can see that the market went higher. How many times? Oh, we could count one. It went here, couldn't, and then traded back. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that's a charm. So it needs to do something like this. So it is doing this, but this is a program. It moving from this wick here, guys, from this wick here, which in this case, I've measured this candlestick here that we're watching, this one. Even if you're measuring this one, you're looking at this wick here, 50% of this candlestick's wick. I measured this one myself. So if you measure this one, that's okay, because it's the longest one here in this run. So let me do this, put it there, then let's go. Let me just put a 0 there so that we can see the bottom. You see what I'm talking about. And there we go. And this is algorithmic. It's an algorithm, this one. It's algorithmic. Yes, whatever that is. But it's an algo, right? It's an algo here because of it's hitting the wick there. What can it do if it does this? It can go in here. And when I see this upper, the lower half respected in a form that only wicks can come in there. And when I see this suspension block hold price here, right? Because of this is an algo. The market going there, doing this right there. Look at the candlestick there. Can you see that this, it closed above, but it was like really close to like closing below, right? So this is holding. So if this is holding, it can go down right here, not there. So you're gonna look at this price here. This is a weekly level. This in blue. It's a weekly wick. Even this one is a weekly wick, right? So let me go back to the weekly. You can see that clearly. You see from here up to, let me zoom in, from there up to there. Okay, let me do that. You're gonna see 1 and 0, 1 and 0. Boom. You see 0 or 1. So I've measured this. So what are we looking for here? We're looking for daily candlesticks to close above this. The wicks can do this, right? On the daily chart, the wicks can do this, but we want the bodies to close above this because now we are on a weekly time frame here. So if I go on the daily, we are looking at the daily chart here now. So we'd like to see this candlestick close above this. It can do whatever it wants here, but it'd be more beautiful closing always above here, above this. It will be signaling to us, let's buy it, right? It will be signaling us that we should buy it. As long as the upper quarter here is respected like this, that's beautiful. Because we are looking at the market that went outside of this level gap. So this suspension block, so outside of it. So any returning to it should remain at the upper 75%. If we measure it like this, we're gonna do this. Boom. Boom. Then I'm gonna find the 7.5 for you. There we go. Boom. Then boom. And then we're gonna string it along there. There we go. And then the 0 level is good. Yeah, it's good. So we'd also like to see this level being respected. Here, this one. All the candlestick can do whatever they want, but closing above these two is critical for us, right? The wicks can, but the bodies should be above this. And if they're above this too, then that's beautiful, even more. And then, you know what happened and then, right? Then it exploded, right? Like really hard. This week, oh man, this week is for this one, could go crazy like that. Right. Could do something like that from where we are right now, right? So these are just extensions, but then that's what you're looking for, and that's what you're looking at. There's too many things. You don't want to trade. You don't want to trade. So this is how I see this one, still bullish. I'm not looking for this to go down here. No, no, no. I'm looking for it to respect this and explode, take these guys out. That's social trades, and that's value at no cost. Boom.